Brokos when they throw man, they go palace. When now the ego now they need me. When I gifted Brokos. I mean, you go day okay. You go day okay, you go trend. You go trend. Imagine the picture of a hero. I don't know whether that picture day. A picture of a hero. Oh, a single picture of a hero. I for download on that picture now. Now let this one day here. Okay, make I put this one. No, this one not good. I get babe already. I don't get babe. If not for put this picture here, the babe made you jealous. So Emma, oh, baby, I love you, eh? I love you. Don't worry. Just bring for today. Okay, this one see okay. Don't worry. You got it more here. It's okay. At least I have to respect my babe. You know, she's cool and she's nice, respectful. She respects me. Working class lady. She's okay. You know, not those pasha women. Working class lady. If you see her, you know see that babe. Now this one babe. Not those one say they wait for single mother money. They don't pay for that shaft. They don't pay any shaft. And all the shaft where they this Europe. Now then they collect them. So sorry to all single mothers. So those of them who say that they hustle well. When we say maybe at the moment they house at the moment. Not be those ones. So those frustrated when we say don't get work. Now to carry man, spend, donate, bon. Different passaging everywhere. I been wagon they call them. Now those ones. Those ones now they refer to, not the reasonable one. The reasonable one we say that they wait maybe say they picking growth, maybe they go start work. Those ones now they respect. The one they say they look for any weird bowler, they put aside body table picking. They make us single mothers. Now then, yes, now they can donate exactly. Now those ones I thought to. So I'm taking to you people now, okay? So she not be that kind of type. Now working class babe. If you see her, say you go know see that babe, not this so. So if you know her, you know her. And a class of friends, not the child's play. You know, boss lady did there. You know, boss lady now, boss lady flicks. That one a big babe. Now one top Nigerian producer for films, film industry for Nigeria. You can also check her on YouTube, Boss Lady Flicks. She get nice movies. Boss Lady Flicks. The flicks na FLIX, like X. Boss Lady Flicks. Check the profile picture for this thing for YouTube. You will know say that babe. So now class be that one, you know. Now class. So she na big bear she be though. Not about those yama guests so this a day where they here. So now big meat I be. Now big meat now they carry too. So now babe now big meat. Now I carry woman. Not be before why carry enemy put for us. You have 5 kids with this. Yes now I take have 5 kids now. No talk. You be man. Man they tolerate. Man and man. Tolerate this woman. Tolerate her. You be man. Now it's bon. And she rush am because she thought say she want bomb. You know understand? She know say this is the only way because she don't say he say as in days now. Even the school she did they put on. He say as in days so he say book, not the entire brain. He say book, not the entire. He say as in days, say maybe last now cleaning work now go do. He say yes, if you use picking money to save, then go open one African shop. Now that one want to say enough study. As we dey talk, 24 hours is saga. Okay, you don't need anything. Like me now, I don't go school, come back. I dey do integration course at the moment. So for now, when they look inside, I do saga or I know how I'm doing my things. I know how I'm positioning myself. So tomorrow now, when I don't live more lavish, you know, say, hey, I have a single mother in Europe or in Germany, all the here. That's your problem because you know why your brain block. You know if you go school. I dey crack my own brain now. They study Dutch now. You were there for 20 years. You cannot even speak, come and go for German language. You know understand? I can speak Italian language. I can write and read and write. I was almost studying Finnish language. Mita kulo, terve. You know, I believe they learned there this months. Yoluku, kukuku, marisku, kesaku, all these things. Months. You know. Even the weeks, days of the weeks, I don't even know. You know, that's it. Like Eata means like don't worry, Eata. Like don't worry, Eata. You understand? I was already learning the language. I did not the blend. But this woman no want make her stay. I went in Yasika Salon. Ma kuku, no be lie. Marisku. Kesaku. Kesaku is July. Kesaku is July. I think my own Yoluku. I mean, mask. I think my November is Yoluku. I think so. Yoluku. Now, very funny language, my brother. You have go bust. You go hail it there. Pronounce their words for you. You go just die. German language, I don't know which one hard pass. Kiss scoot. That is small thing. So let's us. How can you leave Finland to Germany? Yes, I left Finland to. No, I was in Italy. So I had to go to join my family in Finland, but there was no peace of mind there, so I almost died. You know, continue time is going, okay, no problem. I almost died there, so I had to run away from my life, and, you know, yeah, I find myself, and today I'm okay, I'm fine, I'm good, I'm doing well. This woman, she say, without her, nothing stand. Now, what she say, somebody tell her. Now, what she should tell me? But I know I'm sure the person name for a reason, because I just still want to respect that person. He said the person that say, if me leave her, or she leave me, say, my life go dey burn off. I don't understand. Now, me be ekbenede for a reason. I'm a lover boy, it's true, I'm a lover boy. If I love her, the love with my heart, my money, my mind, my everything about her, I love. So that is why I don't joke with a woman's heart. Because I get sister. I have a sister, I have daughters. You understand? So I look and say, if I treat you bad as a woman, how about my daughter? If they can't do the same thing to me, my own daughter, she can't cry. So they say, do unto people what you want, may they do back to you. That is why I don't do that to any woman. Do you understand that? That is it. I'm a lover boy. One man, one woman I be. That's just it. So I guess what I don't clear. I have a girlfriend and we are good together. I love her. She loves me so much. She even cut her neck to do sacrifice for me. That is it. I'm proud of her. Now when I'm not proud of her, I don't feel mention her here. I don't feel mention her here. You know understand? I'm proud of her. That's it. That's what's up. All right? Thank you. So if you know you're not proud of your woman, you cannot mention her publicly. It means you don't love her. You don't pretend. Go away. Leave her before you turn into a single mother. Because if you don't get a woman you feel proud of publicly, you don't need to stay with such a woman, right? Do you understand? So I'm proud of mine. That is why they use her the hit chest, big. This is my babe. Now my woman be this so. I don't get another one. Now my woman be this so. So the thing can't die for there. Now let me continue the voice note. No say for things like this, and you need to see put small sugar. Then I will make you your ear with the each. You want hear more. So let us continue.
So already Friday, me were away church. Already,
this woman says she not fit kill this guy. You gonna say what thing go do this guy will go pain on her. And this woman, so this one they see for here, so this evil spirit, she don't they tell this his sister, say make you leave the marriage. May leave the marriage for long. She told me one day, say, even advice and saying she leave the marriage. Because why? They like to manipulate you. They like to press you. They like to rip you. If they don't feel rip you, they will frustrate you. That is what they were trying to do. She told me one day that she told his sister to leave the marriage. Newborn, Pekin never reached 3 months. I think 3 months or what? I think 3 months. They only born Pekin. She gonna carry the Pekin. This guy go church. He they go select church for upper there. So the guy did inside church. Now one of their disciples for select. He just did there because both of them were the one going to the church before. I don't even see go to the church. Say one time like that. He don't take. You understand? So the guy was inside the church. As he sit down, now yesterday they say your wife don't your wife there outside though. She throw away Pekin for inside car. Newborn baby. To go inside car. Newborn baby. As he can't take go outside, they go look whether the Pekin say there. Pekin there. Where the wife now? The wife just they go. They go as she go park property. Now she move. Listen.
So we moto so all night by me mom go church. We may rowa, near calling me a park, near see I no park. No here. She's away a very meal. They are my brother.
So you more you
of here. On I saw no ride. Of here, need take care. Need you not be.
Okay, I saw man well. So he say the baby with the newborn, she abandoned her, carried the remaining children because she want punish. They love to punish. You understand? According to her, she say if you do that kind of thing, you go feel punish the man, make the man not do that in your matter again, make therefore settle the matter properly. But the man was not ready to compromise. Now he say for him to grieve for you You don't go work. Now you carry pikin because they say na way for find your property, you carry am. Now you carry pikin, go give am to in your mama. Me and my parent take care of her. She left a newborn. Yes, a newborn baby. And this pikin can't die. This pikin died last. You go hear the cassette. These people are murderers. The murderers they are. Killers. You take the one. You go hear cassette. Una go hear cassette. Pikin can't see die. This girl not come look for pikin. Pikin want die. Madam, your pikin want die. This girl not come. Pikin die. This girl not come. They bury pikin. This girl not come. Una go hear cassette. This is the family where oh God, I don't go. I don't feel talk many things. Yeah, when he call yakwa. No, this one I nearly kill me. Now what the younger sister do? Now they kiss this one. That one husband, the younger sister. They are two. They do meeting together. Waiting this one they do me. Go tell that one. Waiting what they do your husband for Nigeria. You go they tell her. So they plan how to buy two people. They came to destroy men. Women support women. I agree to now. When I do well. I know some must say something when I see talk. One don't write just and say, waiting you can't do a moga. I don't say who said no. I see one comment just now. Where? He say, oh, Saloba, it's like don't mute her. He say, no. We say, Jojo Corner, which crime you can't commit oga when she dey pay debt? Thank you. You deaf when the elder sister can't say, I not do anything. You deaf when I say Monica Lobo. Monica Lobo ask a question. This man they beat you say no. This man they treat the children bad, they say no. No, because now those kind of useless women support women people that they be feminist. Monica Lobo una chair lady for Europe. Where we say all the women they fear. Where we say women they respect. Now, Monica Lobo ask her, talk to me, my woman. This one my ex, so we almost kill me. We almost kill my enemy. But today, he said the one wey be say almost killed the husband for Nigeria. Not concern me, so I cannot be matching a picture here. Now who talk to me? Now they match. Now who do me wrong at the mat picture? You don't understand? Who do me wrong at the mat? So I cannot go and match a picture here. Because the sister, I'm just telling you, say it is a pattern in their life to kill their men. It's like you go pursue them or they will come out, leave something behind. When we say go, they depress you for life. Now what she want to do? She just say as I carry all my children, say I'll come frustrate, I don't feel concentrate again. Now me, I be strong man forever. God don't create me as a Benede. Strong forever. Backward never. Forward ever. You don't go fit. Wabwa. You see your feet bring me down. You can't bring me down. You can't bring me down. You see your feet bring me down. I'm still telling you, and I'm still telling you this. I know say your brothers, they will watch. Since they cannot talk to you, no worry. You go see to the carry. My papa family, I don't inform them already. If anything go down tomorrow, those children can never be reunited to my family. As we did now, until DNA is conducted, those children are outcast totally. They are outcast. They can never, and I told them, they heard it clearly. Even my mom is aware. If they try, my mom they alive, so they pray make our mama bury me, they will go bury her. Me they pray me bury me, make my children bury me. But you cannot tell tomorrow. Anything can stop. Anytime can be 6 o'clock. Our beautiful sister, she not bury me Sharon. Her not bury me now. Was it the dream of the mother? No. But it happened. So anything can happen. Like me now, I know they fear death. Now prayers will be say I must pay. You must pay. Everybody go pay. So I know they fear death. That's why they talk. Because I don't say anytime can be 6 o'clock. I don't care. Anytime can be 6 o'clock. I don't care. And my life be this one. That is it. That is why I live my legacy properly. And my name can never be dented on the mud. Because I say I want to keep short. Now when it makes some men look stupid for people out today because they didn't come out to speak what really happened. And people are calling them useless men today. Go say, you go and say your name the rubbish. You be good man before because you not talk out. Do the rubbish you? Why that woman wey dey talk out go come become the saint while you become the devil. Me, I be Ekpenede, laugh me than to cry me. Oh yeah, may I clap myself, Jare. People machines wey come from this family. Okay, now waiting she try waiting in try to be say as their papa don't die. You know, and after the dad die, the same dad way die, they say they not tell me, oh, she not tell me, nobody tell me. Eh? So when this girl come born, now they can say, na I papa, na I reincarnate console. Na I papa, na I reincarnate console. So now the same papa will reincarnate console. Now they come to wait for some motor now. Ew, Jesus no gay. Ew, big woman. It's like we say, oh, I told me, I told me, Salut, boave. Oh, God, I beg. God, I beg. Women support women who are with the mission who are feminist. Feminist people, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, leave that people. What's a comment in here? Hey, we they come. See that comment. He say why you carry. If you don't be that comment, he say why you carry your picture go juju place. That one we they come there now. My man say one in here. Now we they talk about which month be this one. Now we mudiane. Iwe keset iroto. Go and carry popcorn. Wado total saga day. Enjoyment day. Entertainment day. My clap for myself again. Kaleyakwa. Ekbenede oyaku. There. Tomorrow is work. Now shift me this so now. Me no go school tomorrow. It go pay you. You take more your weekend, but what disturb me. It take away weekend. So that now fit relax, enjoy the saga. I been talk or entertainment. But when they disturb me, my phone is there. And I will not tell. So if you don't feel enjoy the saga or the show, go and sleep. Au revoir, désolé. Au revoir, madame. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Au revoir. Il est French Vanio. All right. I bet we can do, which means the government here is commenting with fake account. Now, you relax. You see, you cannot blackmail Ekpenede. Everything while they show evidence. I'm trying to tell you now, say, na pattern of style. I will bring your mama come just now. Your mama pattern of style too. We say, relax. It didn't, we're relaxing. So I just explained that part of, bro, I go talk every day. This my mouth be like, see, since yesterday, the food they didn't belly, now the food I eat day before yesterday, because they don't break now, be day before yesterday. You understand? So when they break, I don't come get appetite for food. So I went to school, came back, I was not feeling hungry. I even bring bread, so maybe if I did talk, I did put bread for my, but I'm not even hungry. So I say food, they on the chop. But food in my kitchen, I get soup, I get stew, I get fried rice. It's okay in the kitchen, but I'm not hungry. I get bread for yourself, But if you see that, say maybe food not there, if you want to see the food, I will type you don't even take it, maybe away or the bear or anything. You want to see the food, make sure now, if fried rice, you look funny. You want to see because we know say now I want to see everything, but near distract you and not continue.
Church.
You know common issue now. How many months?
A year plus now.
Okay.
A year and
okay, yes.
A year and 1 month. Now.
Okay, sorry on that. A year, sorry. I made a mistake on that, sorry. You wait 3 months, sorry. A year.
Not some way.
And I think you agwe. Or what you know who.
Or what you know who. I wanna somewhere. He said she can't leave Peking. You see what in Europe cause? Europe don't destroy many people and many houses. Because he knows his sister they send that money. So if he leave, he can't come out, go his sister house. The same house. Now I mean make sure that house they complete them. If you know the fight where I fight for that house, when land dispute come, you see Oka chairman. If you go Oka market, that place with that symbol of one hand there like this. If you do Oka upper, you know that symbol there. You know as you know where they for Oka market side there. Their town hall, they very close to that place. Now me go bring the con because land dispute was there. They can't run now. But as they see run and reach, no see upper boys now, they must do their own thing. Yama yama. So chaos can enter. Check matter can come. The thing almost cause fights. You know understand? Men can involve. Be. Now his sister with they don't want base. On your work be la over ye. He don't settle for this same woman matter. They maybe me get one person down or they can't get me down. I don't die away because of this ungrateful idiots. No, I didn't say I bought car for her. Two of us got money, but my money was higher than her own. We bought the car together with my money and her money. I didn't say I bought a car for her. Please don't misquote me. If I said that, I didn't say that. I said both of us now buy the car together. But now me go bring the car come. So we combine money together. But my money was higher. Mine was higher. Same with deep freezer. You know understand? Then some other things I buy normally, but it's okay. I made mention of that one. So me you know saying that my way they try be. Alright? So it's okay. But she not give me residence. Today I have residence. All thanks to my stepdad. Where God go bless. Anyway, it day. No matter what that might do me. No matter what he do me. It don't offend me. But if I look what he do for me, he'll be say, woman when he call wife, not he do for me. I'll say, if I forget, that matter I die. He like a pass spit my face. Pwah! Spit my face. Pwah! I'll take raw body, na pancake, on a skincare. Egbe. What in the park go do me, go vex me. God go bless you. He need to know. God go bless you. God go bless you. Now you make me look like this today. If not, they'll say, Yagek Benede. Yagek no way. Yagek in Agbewa. You see, now this one, now the team is now skincare now. Now skincare. So, when you okay, maybe, I'll be my little stock. Let me continue.
They tell you, they not put the husband has nothing to do. That cost is already there for them.
Okay. He said the girl don't tell her before, say, in office stay husband house. He said, and he can still remind her, saying, I should say, you told in office stay husband house. He said, so that cost is there with them. The girl don't first tell her. Tell this guy, say, I don't office stay husband house. The same thing this girl tell me. Who taught them this thing? Their mother. Their mother taught them to be toxic and evil. Taught them to be toxic and evil. And I'm going to make you understand all these things, where it's coming from. So let us continue.
That's why I see how my brother.
God have mercy.
It was a wrong family. Totally wrong. It was a wrong family.
3 o'clock if I saw on your swing without that.
Yes.
They know where we are, you know your swing without that. What?
My brother, man. Why? Oh, not take over my property now.
You there, yeah?
That night, then they tell us me do where you go. So that night, now me not go work at the house. I did sleep, or it is maybe me.
Okay, upon one hour we are bit away far from my house.
My brother, what? You know my house now. I live with a gate.
Yes.
Remember get to you. So you in Laviani. On a really go to me face. And I live with here. Are you there?
I hear you.
Go to a big face. Me not live with here. You know, Australia, a little Australia, done. I see that no, maybe I dream I did. So on a allow work who here we get where people on a do where to get pull over, waiting at pull over one of it.
Una de year qui said.
Pray evil prayer.
Una de year qui said. Una de year qui said. Una de year qui said. Waonha. But the year, this is the same family, oh. One for Europe, one for there. Maybe for here, one man down. Scores, 1-1. No, 1-0. The buffet by me first. I said, not gonna work. Home not see work. Now this one come out. As this one say, he don't no work. Me don't come out. Me wrong. Now she say she not fit buy the man. Certainly, he not fit pressure the man for house. Now she can't come up for the house. He can't go his sister house. Now, most strategize again. Who do we buy next? So the next person where she want cash now, that one don't die. Obewa. Single mother, those single mother, where be say, when they see, when they ask question properly, oh, some of them money she did their head like this one where they so ego you wrong. See money where she said can't give me, oh, but the case said they confront. She sent me 10 euro. She sent me this 2 money. She said I go give my sister. See her. She sent this money go give my sister. He said our bride price with this one. He can't write letter. He say even myself not even read the letter myself. English not let me read. It was not Englishing. It was not correcting. It's a low boy. So that's why they pay bride price. Oh yeah. It's a low boy. Single mothers, evil. I mean the evil single mothers. Oh yeah. Evil single mothers. Oh yeah. Good baby fathers, more love them. Good baby fathers, more love them. 10 euro, yeah. 10 euro, yeah. Engagement ring, marriage ring, oh yeah. Engagement ring and marriage ring, oh yeah. Yes, hello, boy, man. Women. Some women were agree. Oh, when now baby, we only asaki where. Toxic women, they find what you want to talk, they will put you for there. They want because they want saga you. Don't go expose their plan. One of their members don't enter ban off. It will jet when they do. Rewan. Oh, God, I beg you, help me. God help me, oh. English is not Englishing. But I cannot put it here now. Make I can't show now. Make I go screenshot my ex. So say go see that your ex where they give grammar like Vati mana no belebo vedoni. Oh. Go say this man they break grammar anyhow. I don't know the name again. Where they break BB grammar. We say one kid them for House of Assembly. I've been House of Representative. Nene Patrick Obanyagbo. Exactly. That man they break grammar anyhow. That man. So I know I can't use English. They can't break this screen while they manage. You have a phone now. Dirty wire for your patient, you're buy for 17. Now 16 Pro Max I go buy. I don't know. You're buy the phone the next month now for 17 come out. I don't know. So that's what it be. So as it be say, let us play the voice note. More continue. Let us continue.
In fact, so a woman and now can I have any on a pack? Oh boy, my one. And their family they not be. I say, oh, please, me not affect our children.
My brother, na that be my prayer. Oh, na my prayer be that, my brother. Na my prayer be that. This family is cursed. This family is cursed. The family is cursed. The family is cursed, my brother. The family is cursed. Ya say BJ ya. Eriya ya ma get be o money this money. Aya different auto. He be ma o money.
Police told me that man was a nice man.
Very nice man, very nice man, very nice man. Very nice man. Eh? Here's a low boy. Okay. After my river, there's no problem, brother. Everywhere good. Everywhere good. No problem. I am the
Where you come?
Where?
Where you want come?
No. I'm not the come. They're my family members and they're some of my friends. Now they go help me go bring the paper from Palace. They'll bring her come their
Because
house.
I be one. So this girl now, you know, say when she don't use this word of not be you get Peking, not be you get Peking, she dey have Peking. That's okay. Now so I will carry paper from Palace. Go give this girl make her summon some. You know understand? So now person can say make her say give her a chance. May I leave her? May I say patient? You know understand? One chief can say make her calm down, make her patient. Say may I say patient? Maybe she go change. Now you get. The man if you wait here, maybe they'll come bring paper from Palace to summon this girl, make her explain herself properly. Since the family, they not fit talk to her. You hear the sister, the other sister, not fit talk to her. The mama, na him they feed the mama, certainly na boy, eti gwegwan. So now they use the Palace have a gwegwan. Now okay, you don't know, you calm down. So let us see here from front they go.
This what a charity qui est famous because because he have a so he famous then the charity my boy this dinner so our name will be there so when you had here go and you don't even hear me so that's all I see because it tell you are here your wife or your ex-wife you know understand tell you are here good they not have money it tell you are here but you want to say no need. You understand? That's a no need. You see, if I this no wahala. But if not now, after marrow, we go leave her for God to answer. So that's why you reach. I will just take this court, this matter to Palace. They will solve it there. You know, we go solve it there. So you me say. After marrow.
So you had it.
Oh where? I don't have access to my children. I don't have single access to my children. I have nothing. Send me address. Let me send my children things. My brother, this woman to give me address. I even had to carry her, drag her, go social media. As we do all these things, we thinking that this woman will change. This woman refused to change. I summoned her for this for shrine. The same thing. This woman refused to change. I imagine my book Belani. You know when you see now we maybe Tia will be dark here. So what's even on my book because you know when they don't know my book basis as someone marry and Otik Bogano and now when you hear
now they that juju paper for come inside. Now when I will say you go carry juju paper hit them. Now let me explain that cassette for you now. That cassette of juju paper. You know understand? You see, he get this my guy. You understand? The uncle. Na Igbo guy. No say when I told I say I get Igbo friends. I get even Esan, because they get issue with them. I get Esan friends, I get Igbo friends, I get Yoruba friends. So how only her one take train children? Yeah, I don't know. That magic she go use now. So the guy hear the update. Now I say, Omo, Gama, this your matter he had to. Which kind of woman be this one? Okay, if now so make him tell him Inyonku. Inyonku dey in very good terms with her. If they do things like this, you know understand? Okay, make him see tell Inyonku. Maybe Inyonku go fit someone's her. You know, you give her small drink, you just help you run her. Now I take okay, now so make her summon this girl. I thought of the man said, okay, no problem. So now your ex or be your wife. Now I said, now my woman before, but she do like a MTN mask, we not declare. It's okay, no problem. Make him see whether if he's still trapped, doing your part. Now you take carry. You know, he comes to bring the picture, come. Maybe if he show picture, show everything, the thing go threaten, she go want to change mind, begin to behave well. Now I say, okay, no problem. You know, now I take give her the picture. So okay, take. So you can't do video. Show and say that say there's some Muslim I can't do everything. That's why they run now. Now they call this girl. This girl refused to go. Because why I summon this girl? Be say she did something very painful to me. That same year when Papa died. First of all, she born that year 2023. She refused to tell me. The father died. She refused to tell me. Then I think towards October, now this thing happened. Then my uncle wife within Nigeria come call and say, my dear, what in this man do you like this? I like this man talk to these children now. He can't tell my uncle wife Say no go agree make I see those children. Say not me get those children. Now 5 children I did now. 5. The 5th one she born last. He can't tell that my uncle wife say no be me get children. It's not me get children. And that thing vexed me. I got provoked and I say, if you tell me I fit keep them as inside matter. If you tell my mama I fit take her, you go tell my uncle wife will be outsider. That thing provoke me. And I say now make her spoil everywhere. You don't go disgrace me for outside. Now say right now I want someone this girl. Now the matter is set to that extent. Now say me she can't explain. One, because this one so there are some of my property with the other side in terms of my laptop. This laptop with here now. You see this laptop? I think I showed you for the last time. The first screen where then she break am. Violence. She break the screen. She can't pay 770 something euro. Now she break am. Now normal level now. You don't feel talk now. If you talk, they will say, aren't you a man? You know? Aren't you a man? Now man I be now. I need to take the toxicity. I'm a man. So now she felt break the screen. When she go repair her 720 something euro, now she take repair for Finland. Now when she break them, I bought it 1.5. When I get Mac Pro, now I know what it mean. MacBook Pro man, this in Pro. Now it be. So now I take buy for Italy. Now my money. This one, it was still in Finland. I was coming to Germany to work for a while. Then I'll go back. Make everywhere see calm down. Just to gather small money because I know that should maybe say I would ask someone for money. I did like to hustle. That was why I said, okay, let me go to Germany, work for a while, then I'll see come out, come back. Maybe before I come back, maybe her head don't come down. Maybe she don't miss me. It's okay. She need the man. They will give her residence. That was what I was doing. I wasn't forcing her. You might force her, but still, you know, okay, this idiot don't see come here, but it's okay. Now they decide they come, they watch me for here. It's all right, but no problem. You go to learn the show now because you got to enjoy the show. So, if you they comment well, you come my moderator they block people. So that's also like all I can tell you. Come me, I know they block one. My moderator if he block you or if he mute you. So in case you not comment well, you are saying no to Europe marriage. So my moderator they're very brutal. They feel you block you. But if I catch you comment nonsense, you insult me, I will block you. So I already look, they cover, they talk and they look. So the thing on deal like that. So as he tell my uncle wife, I felt insulted. I felt insulted. Now I say, this girl, you go explain all these things. What thing I really do you go explain her. The things we did with her, I get one big digital camera. Those one I use for studio. That one I get them. I use it for myself personally. Very big one. This laptop was there. Then the passport where I enter Europe, will be say visa day. I they keep things well. I know how to document things and keep things. I just kept this okay for future reference. Okay, a visa now, I'm moving to Europe. Now this visa to enter Europe. You know understand? Let me keep on. This girl, okay, I beg. If you say let me see my children. Okay, system because laptop now. I need the laptop. Not take the watch movie. I daily watch TV. Now this laptop. If I can't put for inside bed for chair, asking for inside bed, I take the watch movie. I feel even sleep off. Now I take the catch my phone. You understand? Give me my laptop. Give me this one. She don't remind me. You know understand? So it was later my assistant come to me and say, I beg, if not so, if you don't want to send, I go give her. Okay, you send, I can't give me. So now when I can't step in, now she called it, I can't send the laptop on. Even the laptop was even broken. The screen was broken. I had to buy it on eBay. I fixed it myself. Because I know computer matter. I'm going to fix it myself. And it was even cheap. If I knew that I could fix the laptop myself, she would not spend that money that time. I was okay, more just buy the screen, I will fix it myself. I had to watch online how to do this thing, but it was very difficult. But you have to use your mind properly. Because I be a computer person too, so I tried it and it worked. So I saw it be. So she brought my digital camera. She brought this one. Then that, my passport, and some other things again, I can't really remember. Then I said she can't add this 10 euro plus 10 euro. Now so I tell you pay bad price. Oh. You don't say Europe level now, money too much, money now water. Money now, she want to help my life. Up to where the ring come. I'm not doing it again. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Take your ring. Now I take career. He give my sister. That one, Nana, you know like what? You know say this my laptop. I like and why will not be smarting. Marriage not still work. Still give me smarting now. Give me allow me children. You know say no. Give me my laptop. He say no. But as she go to see send laptop, go give my sister. Now it's okay. Maybe she will see change my tomorrow. You will see some still agree. Now we take the manage the go. You don't understand? The visa, where the visa day, she removed the visa on her bank, on her visa, and now let the passport come to me. So this woman wicked. Court marriage with me and this woman do the certificate still there with her. Bring the certificate for me. Make her the plan they have to do the divorce. This woman refused to give me the certificate till now. She's still holding it. But thank God, now prenup. Now prenup now we do. So what do you bring come? You take her. What do I bring come? I take her. So she's still holding on to that certificate till now. She has refused to give me. Which country, bro? She did Finland. She did Finland. If you dey pray, say, make my enemy buy, make you call collect wetin you not reap for. You go die, oh. Because me I dey now. Me, anything what they do, make you know now, in case you don't know. My babe, what I dey with now, anything where she want to do, with me, now two of us will write our name together. Our name together go dey. Then when we don't born, we don't get our pikin, everything will be go her name. And let me tell you, if you refuse to return those children back on time, you are going to deny them their paternity rights. This is where you're going to have a problem. Because if I dare alive, I don't conduct that DNA, automatically the children will begin to get next. Stands to be my first children. You go see problem. When me problem they come for future. I will tell you say, if you say you be devil, you dey learn walk away a day. Those children, you go deny them their lineage. You go get caught for life. Let them remain that way because it is what you plant for them. Because I don't tell you already. You say you don't want peace. I don't beg you, Modu co-parent, you say you don't want. Your sister don't call you. You say you don't want. Your brother don't call you. You say you don't want. Monica ask you. Monica Lobo ask you. What is the problem? You say no, they beat you. If they threaten the children, you say nothing. Agameya OFA, he call you, talk to you. You feel deny, you don't know me. Later, you begin to insult the man. This is what you have done. If any Kalekwa don't call you, if they talk to you, you say no. So who are you? I'm asking, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? What did the man do you? All she wants, my people, let me tell you why she's holding those children. She wants me back. More continue the bass. You know, say, now beating, now the sweeter, my beat am, then make she do okay. But I make near Yagboma, because Yagboma, God forbid bad thing. Women support women and feminists. They go kill me for social media. Say feminist social media. He just saluba. Saga be saluba. Eda ye ikbia do me ikbia do yahu. Ikbia do ma, ikbia do. I have na ikbia do yahu. Ikbia jemi ma yaginya. Uwe pussy. Irianje ikbia do. Ikbia do ma. Those women so, if they see better man, they will cage ourselves. You see me there so, many of them they talk nonsense for comment section, so they don't find me come because I refuse them. And I tell them say I get big, you think they pin them, come where they saga me for one different corner. E.g., one of them don't do that thing to me. There are plenty now. I see them. I see many of them. They go join the other side because they don't know say I get babe. I'm my babe. Here go my gear. I am a gear. Or usually me. What do I want? I want the cheats. I be man. I admire beautiful women. Yes, it's true. I'm not blind. If I see big rubber, yeah, wow, it's beautiful. If I see clean babe, wow, it's nice. It's normal. I'm not die. But you see my babe, now special. I know they joke with my babe. You get why? Not she be the most beautiful babe on earth, but I just cherish her that way. Leave her like that for me. Your babe different person, but now I won't be that. She is special for me. He love her very honey. This is the way I was trying to carry this evil woman, but she not agree. She don't agree. She was giving me torment because of where I was pampering her. She was giving me woto. This is why I say some men are brutal. Now men will be brutal. Now women they die for. But thank God say I not still let what she do me come enter my brain, come become a brutal man towards women. I'm still that lover boy. That is what my woman I get now. She feel cut her head for me. Lover boys, oh yeah. You don't know. No worry, DNA test must come out. She must come out last. I'm not ready. She'll carry children to go now. If she don't bring then we go see where she'll carry children go. Pikin go grow now. You go do marriage now. You not do marriage. And one thing, wait day, wait, I don't go talk for here yet. And that one will take shock her last. But I'll leave her. I get one reserve word. Maybe I will talk about her. You know understand? Why I'll take shock her tomorrow. They go regret. She go regret. Plus the ones for her family where they support her, they go regret because now she they feed them. Now because of euro, made them no one talk. Because she get money where she they give them. Feel like they pay her money now. Feel like money na block for where Jenny money dey. Jenny no they pay money now. And I feel like the block. You see all those Scandinavian countries, they spoil women. So they misbehave there. They misbehave. You understand? So that's it. Now, let me continue.
Do now. Yeah, had it away. You're making this thing. Network just the break. Network you break. Hello, my little.
Yeah, me family.
So you know where they you know, you guys somewhere here, that you know, or they palace, you know, a palace
Okay. Now, like I was just saying, now I tell someone this girl, they can't send a paper. And they send a paper now. This girl refused to come. The man give her dates. Because she fear to go summons. And the summons was just to see whether she will really turn up for clarity's sake. You know? She did not turn up. Now, wait. Let me check. Do I still have the voice note of this man? Do I still have the voice note? She refused to go. She refused to go. The man was even angry that he didn't want to help me before, but the way this girl insult her, talk to her in a very disrespectful way, as in a disrespectful way. In a disrespectful way. He say, if I be saying that person when he know, waiting for do this girl, you know where, I don't want to measure the name of the place. And if I measure the name of the place, then may go hail. Now one of the most strongest place where we say, you will ever talk about for Anambra, the most strongest, the one that they fear pass for Anambra, when I know the name, Igbo people know that is the note I'm talking about. Now my Igbo friend, that give me, you know, the most strongest for that side. I they see Ayala for Benin, that's why they see that one for there, but they know, if you don't know, type on there. Let me see whether men they will say no road. You don't understand? Nigga, don't even. All right, mercy. You go there, but I don't know. Wait, mercy. Is it this one? All right. Mercy. If you get any question you want to ask, send request, come make us find the voice note. Make us, if you know say you want to ask question, confirm. You confirm, you the waka. Now Okija, you confirm. Okija. Alusi Okija. Not be Amadio. Alusi Okija. You confirm. Send request, come make us just stay, make una talk some more because I not really bring people come up since. So yeah, send request, come on talk some more. Because the reason why people come up since they say, Kisa too plenty. Send request, come make I bring you up some more, then we talk. Then before I bring the recent comments.
Good evening, bros.
I greet you too. How far?
We are good. Let me say I get too much to talk for you, sha, because the woman has sit on that live, see they explain what you say you doing. With the listen.
Which live she did? Which live she did?
She did another live. I don't remember the live again. If I come up for you now, I'm not sure if I see the live again. I'm not sure if I come up for you, go the live, go check the name of the place.
Okay. So now my platform, I've been at my platform.
Now, my platform now she did.
Okay,
So,
my platform.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank God she don't come out. Beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
What she they talk now be say you beat her, you dey beat her, you over tear here itself, you fronted for Finland.
Okay.
So what me I want talk be say why you call you don't know say woman if they beat woman you go come out leave you.
Okay, now listen to that talk. You see, if you were here earlier
Who
on,
press in neck, he picking neck self, he picking neck can't get sore throat, bro.
she talks so.
Yes, you do. Yes, now everything they talk everything for that side. Now just as you see they talk the
She
bad
talks
side of
so.
us, so as you see they talk the bad side of you for that side.
She talks so. What else again? Continue.
No, I just the now just
Oh, she talks so.
side, that's
Now,
what I
wait,
was talking about.
calm down.
And
Now,
you just
I
your
want,
wife. She
I dey
talk,
come make a reply that allegation for wait, Mujane. Now, first of all, you don't talk this one here now. I tell you, say Monica ask her question for live stream. Thank God say that live stream, say I download them. I download that live stream. Monica asked this man, this woman, this guy they beat you. She said no. This guy they abuse you. She said no. She denied. She said
You've done everything.
yes.
You don't need all this. You are living a perfect life. You are living a good life. You don't need all this. If it's okay, you want to marry to that your new wife now, go to Nigeria. You put do tradition. Come back. Start living in peace.
Yeah.
Don't all this you are doing now. You are giving her energy. To be honest, you are clean. You are
No,
pure.
madam, let me tell you the reason why I came out. All right.
Okay.
What even brought apart all these things? You see, I'm a live presenter, and what I do is just I talk about Edo culture, tradition, and most times I project our women, as a symbol of Edo heritage. Just like now, I have this pendant on my chest. This is our queen mother, which we hold to high esteem. You understand? So that's it. Then at the back, the children that God blessed me with, that somebody stole from me. These are their names here. The 5 kids. You can see that their names are here. I still go there. I still go with it. So that's it. So that one aside, this is what I always do. I project the greatness of the Benin and the Edo culture. This is what I do on social media. So sometimes we do deliberate on issues about marriage and relationships and stuff like that. So on one particular platform some days ago, I think 2 or whatever. So a lady was talking about these toxic ladies, some of those toxic ladies, trying to downgrade men, trying to bring down the reputation of good men, So I was like, okay, the way she was saying it was kind of sounding like the way I'm actually, feeling about the way my ex is actually treating me, because now 2 people they born Peking.
Of course.
So, and I've been hearing that this host has been, cautioning these ladies behaving in these irrational manners, that they should desist from it, that is not proper. You don't treat a father like this. At least let them be part of their kids. So it was just like she was talking to me. You understand? So people came up, they made their own points. Like their experience in some toxic relationships. I was like, okay, let me see go up and also air my own opinion. So I went there, I spoke. Just like now you are here talking about you. Maybe now I'm just making a live presentation about relationship. You come and give your own experience of life. And somebody now takes the video, put it on a blog, and then from there, this girl where they say they carry my he carry my ex put for the platform now. She's cursed already. You understand? So I will not curse her, because they don't tell me about her for long. So I know people, and there are people they don't curse. Now she get problem when they say pass her. So this is why I never really care about her. It's still like that way they call brokers. That's one. There's a problem with that one.